Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Today I am going to install decals on my Toyota Tundra 2018. I got them on the web. I was just searching on Google, and as I explained to you a little earlier, I got a little incident where my wife actually bumped into my Tundra. I was actually planning on installing some decals just to make it more characteristic of this truck, sort of more wild. And you know how for example, Raptors have decals that show some sort of like shredded graphics on the back, on the actual bed, on the side of it. I got the same idea and I thought, let's see what it adds to the truck, a little more Call of Duty character to it, and so I got them. In addition to, now let me show you what happened to my truck. And here is how your Fender Flares can protect your vehicle a little bit. So like I said, my wife was backing out of the driveway and just scraped into the Tundra. There is a little dent here, as you can tell. So the impact was going this way, a little harder here. I was able to buff out some of the scuffs and scratches from this portion, but then so she kept going on the angle, and then the Fender Flare took the rest of the damage. And as you can tell, if I would not have the flares, I would have scratches starting from here all the way to here. So this is it. That's why I like them, and unfortunately they have been used in less than 2 weeks. Here is the product. It comes in 2 sheets. So basically, for one side you have all the decals on 2 sheets. One side contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, actually 6 right here. This is the 6th one. Pieces of puzzle, and you want to lay them, cut them out, and lay them on the floor first. So as you can tell, here is my tail light, and here is my wheel arch, and so this is the little piece between the bed and the rear door. I'm gonna cut out 6 pieces, detach the fender flare, clean up the side, and boom, install the decals. Hopefully it will go great. We just came back from a little off-roading adventure at Mammoth Lakes, and here is why I just want to share why the Fender Flares are helpful when you go off-roading. Check this out. As you can tell, all this brushing here, nothing is touching your actual truck body. And then here again, as you can tell, just little, all you do is go like that, and even if it's anything bigger, you just replace these guys. Other than that, the truck is clean. I did hit one bush. Let's see what happened to the mirror here. Again, nothing big, but it was fun. You'll see it later. Thanks, bye. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. I also hope that you like the progress of the Tundra. I think it's looking better and better with every renovation or addition. Subscribe to the channel, give me a like if you like it, of course. If not, it's your choice. But I will hope to see you soon, and also very soon we are going to have some t-shirts